Well, hello there, this is John. Hope you guys are all doing alright out there in YouTube land. Today I'm going to show you what I did when I did some tiling outside at the back of the house, where the flat space not being used is just dirt, and I know that when the rain really gets going it's just going to turn into like a mud pit and going to have all kinds of weeds growing there. So I decided to put tile down, put some cement down, then tile on top. I also put in a sump pump of all things. So I'll show you what we did. Started taking out this soil so that it is below the level of the concrete base next to it. And down here I've got a load of handmade tiles. I'm going to pour some mortar down, or concrete, and I'll set the tiles in there. Now we're just laying a very thin layer of concrete and laying these tiles on just to get them in position. Then we'll probably do some grouting after that. And just a warning, none of this is going to be straight. That's not the object of the exercise. Well, what is the object of the exercise, you may ask? Well, I think it is just to enjoy the process and just go where it feels. Be kind of organic with it is the best way, I think. Is this before or after? All coming on there. Getting a bit closer now, just gotta add a few more things and put another layer of mortar in. Yes, bit by bit it's getting there. Just finishing off some areas there. Then I'm going to give it a good wash down and wash the tiles nice and clean, and we'll see how it looks then. So I put a 12-volt battery in the shed there and led 2 wires out of this area and connected in the sump pump and the float switch. So as soon as that float switch lifts up, it turns on the pump and it empties the water into this drain here, which I'm going to seal up around the pipe. Now to put on the skyscraper of love cover. Or just to let you know, I broke out the concrete and put a plastic bucket in there and then cut it down to the grade of the concrete here. And that's the back area done. Got all the tiling. Unfortunately it's a bit dirty because we've had a lot of rain and there's been stuff splashing obviously, but we're ready to go. It's just about finished. The only thing I have to do is cover up that hole in the drain pipe. Well, good morning, this is John. Hope you guys are all doing alright out there in YouTube land. Today what I'm going to do is put a patch in this drain here where the the sump pump is emptying out with it. What I'm going to do is use this as a form, and then on top of that I can put some concrete. So, you know, in 100 years time or so, when this rots out, the concrete will still be there. So we'll need to seal that off. What I'm going to use is these tin snips and a piece of pipe here just to get the size, and we'll have to cut. Yeah, that looks like a good size, looks like the exact size. So let's get on with it. Okay then, we've got this piece of tin cut now, and what I need to do is mark the location of this pipe. So I'll say the centre is on that axis, and it's going to go here and there. So does that seem right? Yeah, maybe a bit up there. There you go. Give us an idea. Drill a hole in that. And I'm just thinking, you know, that'll lay on top, which is fine. But when the concrete goes on, it's going to put a bump in the concrete. The best thing to do would be to put this on the inside of the pipe there, on the inside there. So, is that possible? I don't know. We'll give it a try. Well, once we get it on, you're going to have to hold it up on the inside of the pipe anyhow. So I'll have to make some kind of bracket fixture thing there and see how that works. So I've decided to put this can on the inside of the pipe, so this will look much better on the outside. But to do that, you have to put two screwed on brackets, not tight. I'll tighten them up later on just so they're cut across the top and hold that in place, otherwise that's just going to flop inside the hole. So let's give that a try. First thing, let's just get this guy out of the way a little bit. The skyscraper of love is not very far. There we go. Right, now, does this fit in here? Yes it does. So that can just move to here for the time being. Then once we got this inner lining in place, I mixed up cement and we're going to put it over there and try to make it look good. And then when it's dried, this piece will either be covered or it'll pop up and I can just cut it off. Well, we got the concrete in there, and just got to wait till it goes off. And then I've started to fill a couple more other holes there, and a hole over there. It's starting to look much better now. A chance to wash off the tiles a little bit. Well, that's it finally. We got it all washed down and stuff. I'm happy with that. These tiles are about ½ an inch thick too. They're really thick, so they should last a long time, probably longer than the house. Anyhow, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you can. It would help me channel out a lot. Bye bye.